Now we go to the second question of practice set 2.4, which says rationalize the denominator. Now you see the question here, 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. In the earlier exercise, when we were rationalizing the denominator, we had only one number. So when we had root 7, we knew that root 7 into root 7 is 7. So the rationalizing factor was root 7. But now here in the denominator we have root 7 plus root 2, and we want the root sign to go. So what do we do? So we use the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. How do we use it? See here, we have root 7 plus root 2. So if a is root 7 and b is root 2, so this is root 7 plus root 2. If I multiply this with a minus b, I said a is root 7, b is root 2. So this becomes root 7 minus root 2. See here, a is root 7, b is root 2 and the minus. Now what happens to this? A plus b into a minus b. We said it is a square minus b square. What is a here? Root 7. So this is root 7 square. What is b here? Root 2. So this becomes root 2 square. What is the sign between both of them? Minus. So this is root 7 square minus root 2 square. So this is equal to 7 minus root 2 square is 2. Root 7 square is 7. Root 2 square is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have rationalized the denominator and got 5. Now look at question 1 here. 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. So I told you the rationalizing factor will be the opposite sign number. That is, if here we have root 7 plus root 2, here it will be root 7 minus root 2. So when we multiply in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator too. So root 7 minus root 2 is here also. 1 into root 7 minus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. Root 7 plus root 2 into root 7 minus root 2 is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So it is root 7 square minus root 2 square. Now this will remain as it is, root 7 minus root 2. But root 7 square is root 7 into root 7, which is 7. Root 2 square is root 2 into root 2, which is 2. Therefore, the answer will be root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. So you have 5. Let us now see the second question. Now see the second question here. They have said 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So when we are thinking about the rationalizing factor, it will be the same number but the opposite sign. So this is the same thing, 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So I have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same thing but the opposite sign. Here it is minus, so here it will be plus. Here also it will be plus. So you see here 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 and 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So this one will remain as it is. So 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. here it is. Here you see now this is a minus b into a plus b. Whether it is a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b, answer will be a square minus b square. So this will be 2 root 5 the whole square minus, here you will have minus 3 root 2 square. Numerator remains as it is. So 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Denominator is 2 root 5 the whole square. So 2 root 5 the whole square will be 2 into 2 into 5. Why 2 into 2? 2 square is 2 into 2. Root 5 square is 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. Then here 3 root 2 square. This will be 3 into 3. 3 square is 3 into 3. Root 2 square is 2. So 2. So this will be 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. So you have here 20. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So you have 18. Therefore, the numerator will remain the same. That is 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Close the bracket. 20 minus 18 is 2. So the answer is 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. The denominator is rationalized. There is no square root sign now. See the third question now. 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. So we multiply with its conjugate, that is the opposite sign one. That is, here it is 7 plus 4 root 3. Therefore here we multiply with 7 minus 4 root 3. At that time in the numerator also we multiply with 7 minus 4 root 3. Now numerator remains as it is. You have 7 minus 4 root 3. Denominator you see. This becomes 7 square minus, here this term is 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 the whole square. Now 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 square is 49. What is 4 root 3 the whole square? This will be 4 into 4 into root 3 square is 3. Right? Now, so this becomes 4 bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 49 minus 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. Now when subtracting, 49 minus 48 is 1. Numerator remains as it is. 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Therefore, whether 1 is in the denominator or no, we don't have to write it. Just this numerator will be the answer. That is 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3. So this will be the answer.